Holy fuck. Where do I even start? It has been a long fucking time since I've touched this shitty channel. And a lot has changed. A lot has fucking changed. I think the last video I ever did was with a shittier version of that plate carrier and a slightly less shittier version of that rifle and this rucksack. This thing has always been on my side, but oh my god, Poverty Kit 2024. Let's go. So I think the main thing I really want to go over is this Alice rig I whipped together. This is my favorite piece of equipment really that I've really only noteworthy thing I've added over the years. And this Condor 7-pocket chest rig as well. This thing's pretty dope. It's a chest rig. Like, there's nothing special about this that you have not seen on every other chest rig in the planet. There's just, you know, the works, man. I'm not going over this shit because you see chest rigs all the time. What you don't really see is belt rigs, and that is actually what I am going to cover because this thing is I love this thing. This is so fucking cool. It's so fun. It's such a vibe to wear. It was expensive as fuck too because it's just fucking surplus. I don't know why I only fuck with surplus, but I do. But what's cool about these pouches right here is they can fit 6 mags. 6, you know, standard P mags. Think of it, 6 of them, right? These little things. Or optionally, it can fit 25 shot shells. I had them all nice and organized, but they kind of got shifted around. But you can run this as a little shotgunner rig. So I got 50 rounds of buckshot in here, which is more than you'll ever need for any situation. But hey, that's fucking cool. 50 rounds right there. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but no, so basically this is it's just 4 of the general purpose Alice pouches. You know, I got them on there with the Alice clips. These 2 are just ammo. This one over here is just whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. I just have some hand warmers, some storm matches, and then some binoculars just chilling in there. This can be, I usually take this pouch off, and then I put my revolver on this side right here in this empty spot that would be left. Over here is just general purpose stuff. Multi-tool lighter, some tape, flint and steel, notes, hand warmers, shit like that. I have a knife, paracord in on the side, 2 quarts of water, and this is actually pretty cool. This is basically the whole philosophy, and mainly how historically it's been used. Belt rigs are kind of just a little piece of kit that you would wear if you're away from your main rucksack. Now, what you'd have on there is, you know, general purpose things, ammo, water, food, and that's what I have in here. I have spare socks, I have dry tinder, double bagged. This fucking thing I found from Dick's Sporting Goods is pretty cool actually. I haven't messed with it yet, but it's got a flint and steel, magnesium, a ferro rod. It's got a flute that you use to blow down into the core of the fire to get the embers nice and hot. So I thought that was pretty cool. I haven't used it yet. I have some fucking, jeez, what is this? I don't know what this is. Whatever that is. I have some paracord, and I have a field stripped MRE. So, and then socks, if you can fucking see the socks. And I think that's not half out. There's no way that's it. Oh yeah, and obviously fucking hand warmers, you can see them down in there. Hand warmers are fucking, I have them everywhere. I live in Indiana. It gets cold as shit here sometimes. And this has a nice little waterproof little, it's not waterproof, but a little thing to keep the rain, keep it dry. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have all here. It's not anything revolutionary or groundbreaking, but a flare, what the fuck? A real road flare, you know. They're pretty neat. But yeah, that's kind of really what I wanted to show you. I'm not gonna get into all the fancy shit about every fact and the history behind, you know, all this equipment, because I'm not gonna pretend I know all of it, but it's just something neat I want to show you guys. And maybe if you're looking to build one of these yourselves, or you're wanting to get into the market for some, you know, what's it called, load bearing LBVs, belt rigs, chest rigs, all that kind of stuff, they're great. This thing's awesome. I love this thing. This thing is it's handy, and it looks dope. That's what really matters, right? It looks amazing. It fucking survived. But yeah, belt rigs, they're awesome. I love this thing. It's so fucking awesome. You know, it pairs well with my I hardly ever wear this, but I got in the comms too. I remember a couple of you guys were leaving comments about getting in the comms, and I have. I've actually like dove crazy deep in the comms. Like I've mapped out pretty much every family radio service I have available near me. I got some of my state parks, park ranger frequencies. I got my NOAA frequencies. I got every repeater in my state that I know of, all written down. Like, I've fucking really dove into comms like you guys wanted me to, and I have. Show you was just that, because it's been, oh my god, my life has been a fuck. I'm not gonna get into that bullshit, but I haven't uploaded in a few years, and let me fucking say, there was a reason I haven't uploaded in a few years. Like oh my lord, I don't want to get into it because it doesn't fucking matter, and I'm not trying to get my personal life involved in this shit, but good lord, it's been a fucking hell of a year. A hell of a fucking few years, that is. It has not been a good time for me. Woodsman has not been happy. It's been fucking hell. It has been hell for me. I picked up so here's what happened, right? My gear was hitting in way down the fucking goon tactical. I got sucked into that shit. I got sucked into being a gooner. I got sucked into the tactical goon community, right? And then I decided to chill out, and I became a cowboy. And I embraced the Alice pack. I embraced Alice, right? And then I went down the more of a traditional route. I picked up this nice Mossberg a while ago. I got a nice 38 revolver. So I've been chilling. I kind of stopped caring about the name and brand of the equipment, and then I started focusing more on the bare utilitarian purpose of some of the simpler things in life, like this fucked up, disheveled, nasty general purpose Alice pouch. So that's kind of what that's what I'll always advocate, is just focus on your essentials and your fundamentals. Don't really care about the gear you're having, because even saying that doesn't fucking, that's not groundbreaking, me saying that, okay? It's nothing new saying, oh, maybe you should focus on training. Yeah, no shit. That's been said a billion times. That's not revolutionary. I'm not saying anything fucking groundbreaking, but I'm just attesting that that's real. That's 100% real. Like, I'm a much better woodsman and outdoorsman than I've ever been because I just started focusing on the simple fundamentals. Both of these are awesome. By fucking Dave. If you fuck with Dave, read these books. They're fucking good, but they're awesome, but a little different. This thing has seen some things. This thing has seen some horrible things. Fuck, where do I even start? I guess I tape that off. Yeah, let's just fucking go into this. Might as well. But Atlas Pack, same shit. It's I'm pretty sure it's identical to the last video. Like I'm not positive in that, but I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same. I'm pretty sure. Look how nice I have this. Have you seen a more optimal rucksack in your days? You haven't. Look how nice this is. Look how nice I have all this. That's perfectly loaded, perfectly balanced, as all things should be. But what do I even have in here? Oh shit. I forgot I had that. Yeah, so in these three, these used to be the little M16 10 or 20 round magazine pouches, but you know, P-mags are goated, so everybody uses those instead of those shitty things. So these are kind of obsolete for carrying those mags. So now, pretty much, generally me and other people will just shove random admin shit in here. I have a fucking little light strap for when I want to be seen, and then some face paint, multi-tool. This is kind of cool, actually. I have some snake shot for when I need to kill a snake or some shit, because we do have those here in Indiana. I have a headlamp down in there, and then an empty pouch. That's something I will actually say I don't hear people talk about a lot, is don't fucking fill your every pouch up on your bag. Like, don't just shove shit in your bag for the sake of having shit shoved into your bag. Like, have a few empty pouches for collecting shit you come across. Like, I put all my, like, I'll forage fucking mushrooms, I'm gonna put them in here, this big ass pouch. If I find some cool rocks or some shit, going into this one. You know what I'm saying? That might not be what you'll use your empty pouches for, but leave a pouch empty or two. For one, just for the sake of saving weight and not just throwing shit in there you don't need. And two, just where are you gonna put shit that you find out in the woods? Like, where are you gonna put that? Because all your fucking bag's filled up. You know what I'm saying? I think you know what I'm saying. In here is just a little grab pouch. Here's my rifle cleaning kit. I have a little bivvy, shitty boo-boo kit. Fucking radio batteries, triple bagged because these Baofengs are ass and their batteries aren't waterproof. Boar snake. What the fuck is that? I don't know what this is. I have fucking so many of them. Some flares. I actually fucking needed nail clippers, so there's that. What the is that the same one? It was the same, okay. Yeah, just shit. Just garbage. Oh, fuck. But yeah, just general shit. Like, on one hand, I want to go in depth into why everything I have in my bag and why it's in there and what I have it for. But on the other hand, once you've seen one rucksack, you've seen them all. They're all the same. Like, that's pretty much it. So, I'm not trying to... Nothing groundbreaking here. 3 MREs. So these are actually aren't military issue ones. These are civilian ones, and these are actually way fucking better because these have like 2 days of food worth in them. I'm not gonna open them up because I like these ones, but they have 2 entrees. They have like, it's 2,000. This is a full day's worth of food. A regular MRE is only a meal replacement. These are like these are daily rations. Yeah, right there. This is a meal for a whole day. MREs are meal replacements. They're a meal. These are like rations. So this is why I carry like this is 3 days worth of food. and maybe even more if I fucking starve myself, but not. I have a tent. This tent is fucking awesome. My poncho / pillow, my sleeping bag. That's really it. Like, I don't carry a bunch of shit that I don't need to be fucking carrying. My silky saw, some paracord, my bushcraft knife, empty pouch. There's an e-tool over here. I usually have an IFAK over here or a spare canteen bottle. Oh fuck! I actually bought a. Yeah, I forgot I even had this. I bought a little stove kit because I was fucking tired of having to start my fire. So, little fucking propane or whatever it's called. Propane. I have a couple in a box over there, but yeah, stove kit. Those are fucking really cool. I love them. And then just a canteen cup, bags of tea. This tea is my favorite in the whole world. The Yogi mango ginger. I can't find it anymore. I got it at Walmart. They stopped selling it years ago. So my last 4 pouches. I love this tea. Mango. It's so good. But they don't sell anymore, or at least not in my area. But yeah, lots of tea, double spiced chai, coffee. I don't know, just trash, just trash. And then my canteen cup and some utensils. So yeah, that's Poverty Kit 2024. Nothing. It's the same poverty shit. It's nothing new. It's the same. But I just wanted to show you because I uploaded a few things on my channel and I was like, holy fuck. I saw Poverty Kit sitting on there and I was like, damn. It's been a year? Holy hell, I need to make a new video. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I got these fucking mechanics gloves. So yeah, that's Poverty Kit 2024. Peace.